This blog is sponsored by Banggood. Banggood mid-year summer sale from July 7 to July 10. Free shipping with no minimum spend. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to anywhere around the world. This is Gene. Welcome to 11.9 Workshop. So for today, we are going to do something a little bit different than what we usually do here in our channel. So you might know, or you might be familiar that when I vlog, I usually vlog in my native tongue, which is Tagalog, and I just mix a little bit of a Taglish in that. But now, we're gonna go back to the roots of 11.9 Workshop. So if you guys check my old videos from way back, my videos are mostly in English now. So I just changed into Filipino, I think last year, to just to be accepted, or just to be reach a broader audience with my Filipino fans. But now I'm gonna go back just this once. I'm going to make a full English review of Banggood tools right behind me right here. So I'm going to just give you a little bit of an overview of them. I'm going to tell you what I like about them and what I don't like about them. And of course, I would tell you if I would recommend these tools, okay? I'm doing this because I just realized there's a comment in my YouTube channel that says that they want to be interested. They're very interested in my reviews of Banggood too, but they don't understand. They cannot understand Tagalog. No, I think they live in other countries in Southeast Asia, or maybe back in China or the United States or Europe, that has also access to Banggood tools, and they want to know reviews of these products because some of these products were never reviewed in their native tongue. I just reviewed them in Filipino, so I would just do a little bit of service to them to give a quick review of them in English, right? So yeah, that's the goal of this episode right now. Oh, guys, if you are not familiar, or if you if you find it strange that I'm speaking in English, I'm so sorry, guys. But we'll just have to entertain some of our fans from other countries as well, right? So, but don't worry. I think most Filipinos, or almost all Filipinos, could still understand English, right? And these reviews, you've already seen these reviews, guys. If you're watching my channel, you've already seen the long format reviews of these tools. So we're just going to give a summary, right? Okay, so let's go. But before that, guys, I forgot to tell you that I thank you so much again to all of the subscribers, the people who are liking and commenting on this show. And if you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you would be alerted every time I upload new videos. I usually upload videos every week, right? So let's move on to our Banggood tools. Let's check them out. All right, so here are the Banggood tools that I usually use right now. So this tools, I tested them in the blogs, but now I've been using them every day whenever I'm making something in this shop. In fact, I made a project here. This is for a client right here, and I used exclusive only Banggood tools. I use other tools. I use the miter saw and the nail gun for that, but I use all of these tools for that project as well. So they've been tested in real world applications, and I'm going to tell you what are my reaction to them, what I like about them, and what I don't like about them, right? So, all right, let's start first with this one. Oh, by the way, guys, if you're interested with all these tools, I'm going to put the link to the blogs of these tools in the description, and then you can check those blogs, and on those blogs, the links on where you can buy these tools in Banggood, the product links, guys. Okay, so let's start first with this one. This one is the Violi Works Brushless Impact Drill. This one is really great. I really love this drill. This is now my everyday drill. I'm not using my DeWalt or my Black & Decker anymore. I'm using this one as my everyday drill. And I like it because it's very powerful, very strong brushless motor. but also very lightweight and very easy to hold. It fits right on my hand, no problems at all. Has very tight controls, very nice chuck, very smooth. It doesn't hurt your hands. It's checkered, so it doesn't slip, but it doesn't hurt your hands. So that's really nice. I like everything about it. Maybe I don't things that I don't like about it is that this chuck, there's a ring here. You can see that it still spins when you're spinning it, and then it makes a little bit of a noise, right? And I also don't like the whining sound of the brushless motor. Could get very annoying if you're not used to it. I'm not used to it. I don't use brushless motors long ago, no, so I'm not used to it, but I think I will get used to it if I use this all the time. But right now it's quite annoying, but that's the only problem with this one. Now next one is this one is actually awesome. Okay, so I really love this tool. This is the Drill Pro brushless impact driver, and it's perfect. Actually, I really love this tool. It's really good. It's very powerful. The brushless motor is very nice. It's light as well, but it feels heavy. You know, it's lightweight, but it feels heavy in your hand. So it's a heavy duty tool. No complaints whatever with this one. So maybe the thing that I don't like is again the whining noise, because it's brushless. Has a bit of a whine in the motor, right? So, but that's the problem with all brushless motors, and yeah, I'll get used to that in the future. All right. So next one is this one. This is the circular saw. This is the 5-inch circular saw, brushless circular saw, also from Banggood. This one is a hit and miss tool. I like it because it's lightweight. It's quite powerful with the batteries, and it can cut everything, almost everything. And I put a good blade in here, so it can cut even hardwoods. What I don't like, what I don't like about this is the base itself. It's a bit slippery. Sometimes when I cut it, it tends to go sideways like that, slip. I don't know what's happening there. Maybe the table is, or maybe the plate is not aligned. I don't know. I've tried to fix it, but yeah, it works now. I tried to use a guide that is a little bit bigger so that it would follow it better. And again, this is the, I don't like this one, the protector. It's very flimsy. The blade cover is very flimsy, so I don't like that. But overall, it's a good saw. It's a decent saw. You can still use it. It's very usable. However, there are some quirks, so I don't use that a lot at all. Now, next one is this one. This one is actually my second favorite of all the Banggood tools. This one is my favorite. This one is my second favorite. And this one is awesome. This is the Cordless Jigsaw from Banggood. I love this thing. This is just a beast. You know, guys, it just eats wood. You know, it cuts really fast, really well. And it cuts very straight. I put a good blade there so it can cut good. But the jigsaw itself, it's very powerful. I did not expect that. I would expect that because it's a jigsaw and it's a battery powered, it could be lacking some power, but it's not. It's actually really good. I'm using this to make furnitures, and it never failed me. Never failed me. It's really, it is a good tool. It's a very a nice tool to have. Very compact. You just get it and then you just cut it. I don't like about this one, the blade changer. Like I said, you need some Allen wrench to change the blades, but I don't change the blades that much, so that's okay. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it. Overall, it's an awesome tool. It's a very indispensable tool here in the shop. Next one is this one. This is the Viola Works one 4-inch grinder, 100 millimeter angle grinder, cordless angle grinder with a brushless motor as well. And I also love this one. I don't use it a lot because I'm not into cutting metals that much. I still cut metals, but not that much. However, I love this because it's very compact and it's very easy to use. I just get it, and then if I need to cut, for example, I need to cut brad nails. When brad nails come through the wood, and on the other side, you have to cut them, right? Uh, and if I want to do that with my old grinder, I have to set it up. I have to plug it. This one, I could just grab it and then just grind all of those brad nails off. It's very simple, very easy to use. So I really love this. This is a game changer. It's one of those game changer tools here in the shop. All right. Next one is this one, the Viola Works saber saw or reciprocating saw. This one I don't really like. It's very handy to have if you need to cut something, for example, a tree branch, or something, or pallet wood. You know, you want to dismantle some pallet boards. This one is a good one because you can change the blades. You can put a wood cutter, a multi-material cutter, metal cutter there, so you can cut almost all kinds of materials. However, I really don't like it because it's the vibration is just too much. I don't like the vibration of that, so I don't use I don't use it as often as I would like to. However, this one, I forgot to tell you, the vibration in this one is almost non-existent. So I was really surprised by that because it's a cheap jigsaw, it's a cordless jigsaw. So I thought that the vibration would be too much, right? So, but when I tried it, there's absolutely no vibration at all. So it's very stable and it's very easy to cut wood using this one. This one is a bit different. It's still usable though. You can still use this to cut in demolition or like that. But for me, it's not that comfortable. And I also don't like this one. It's not Makita type battery, so it's not compatible with the batteries of these other tools. However, it's still good. So if you're still interested with this tool, then you can still get it. All right. So last one. Is there a last one? Oh yeah, there's a last one. I forgot. Yeah. I forgot this one. This one is another of my favorite. This is the brushless cordless trimmer, also from Banggood. And it's another game changer tools because I've been using this all the time in the shop. When I need to round something, round edges of my projects, I grab this one. I don't need to set up a big router. I just grab this and then just go to town with it. Strong, very strong motor, very powerful, can cut to anything. What I don't like about this one is the base. It's very hard to adjust. It's very tight, so it's very hard to adjust the base. So that's my only complaint with this one. But overall, this is a very, very effective router. So yeah, that's really good. Alright, so those are the overviews of my Banggood tools that I commonly use here in the shop. I still have some Banggood tools like the Viola Works impact wrench, which I really like, but I don't use that much because I'm not a mechanic. Impact wrenches are mostly for mechanics. I used to have a Banggood or a Top Shack impact wrench, and that's also awesome. It can use 1/2 sockets or 1/4 hex, which is really good. And another one, I also have a welding machine, a Top Shack welding machine, also from Banggood, and that is also very good. It's a good backup welding machine. Whenever stick welder, when I'm welding, I usually use my flux core, But sometimes when you're lacking wires, it's good to have a backup stick welder, and that welding machine is also good for welding small pieces of metal. All right, so I would recommend all of this, guys. If you're interested in Banggood tools, I would definitely recommend all of this. But if I would pick my favorite or the things that I would really, really recommend, I would definitely recommend this one, the Cordless Jigsaw. This one, the Drill Pro Brushless Impact Driver. This one, the ViolaWorks Brushless Impact Drill. And this one, the Cordless Brushless Router Trimmer. These four tools are the best of the best. They are the things that I use all the time, and they are really, really great addition to the shop. They're absolutely game changers. Now, what would be the next one for Banggood? Well, we're going to have more Banggood reviews next time. I'm still waiting for that new tools from Banggood, but we are going to review a new angle grinder, cordless angle grinder. This time in 125 millimeter or 5 inch, so it's bigger than this one. And we're also going to review a cordless screwdriver, also from Banggood. Also, I'm planning to remove that tool cabinet there. I'm going to remove that and then change that into a new French cleat system. And we're going to build holders for all these Banggood tools because I use them so much. They have to be beside me all the time. They have to be there, ready to use all the time. So I have to create some storage for them because there's too much of them right now in the shop. So I really have to organize them so I could easily use them when I need them, right? All right. So guys, don't forget, there's also the Banggood mid-year summer sale this July 7 to July 10, and you can get free shipping with no minimum spend on all Banggood products, guys. So check that out on banggood.com. All right. So this is Gene again from 11.9 Workshop. I'll see you guys again next time. Goodbye.